In today's video, I am going to teach you how to work with cell basics in Excel. To begin, open Excel on your computer so you can see the worksheet grid. This grid is made up of columns and rows, and each box where a column and row meet is called a cell. We will start with one of the most important cells on the sheet, cell A1, which is located in the top left corner of the grid. Click cell A1 to select it. When a cell is selected, it becomes active, which means anything you type will go directly into that cell. Now type some text or numbers into cell A1. This is the most basic way to enter data in Excel, and it is the foundation for almost everything else you will do in a worksheet. Once you have entered your content, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will move your selection down one row to cell A2. This is helpful when you are entering information vertically, one item below another. Next, click cell A1 again to highlight it. This brings the selection back to the original cell so you can make a change. To clear what you entered, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This removes the content from the cell while keeping the cell itself in place. That is an important distinction because deleting the content is not the same as removing the cell from the worksheet. Now move to cell B2 and click it once. After that, click and hold down your left mouse button on cell B2. While holding the button, drag your mouse down and to the right. As you drag, Excel will highlight a range of cells. This is how you select multiple cells at the same time, which is useful when you want to format several cells together instead of one at a time. Once the range you want is highlighted, release your mouse button. With that range still selected, click the Home tab in the top menu bar. This tab contains many of the most commonly used formatting tools in Excel. In the ribbon, find the Fill Color Paint Bucket drop-down arrow and click it. A visual grid of colors will appear. Click the highlight color you prefer, and Excel will apply that fill color to the entire selected range. This is a simple but essential skill for working with spreadsheets. You have learned how to select a cell, enter content, move to the next cell, clear content, select a range, and apply a fill color. That covers everything you need to know.